Hey there, it's Amelia, and in this video I'll demonstrate 4 must-know Excel features, including how to parse or separate data, how to sort data, how to remove a dash or other character in between data, and how to combine data from multiple columns into one column. Now I'm using Microsoft Office 365, but you can use these features in all versions of Microsoft Excel. They've been tested back as far as Office 2007. Let's get right to it. How to parse data in Excel. In this example, let's say the names in this name column need to be separated so that the first name is in one column and the last name is in another column. This would be handy if you wanted to sort by last name. First, I'm going to insert a blank column next to the name column. Next, I'll select all the data that needs to be parsed. Then from the Data tab, I'll select Text to Columns. In this first step, make sure Delimited is selected, and this is assuming that there is a space separating each piece of information. Click Next. In step 2, make sure the space checkbox is checked. Click Next. In this step, it defaults to the general format. You can change formats in different columns as needed. I'll leave general, I'll click Finish, and now all the names are split with first name in one column and last name in another column. How to sort data in Excel. In this example, all the data on the spreadsheet needs to be sorted in alphabetical order by last name. First, we're going to select all the data in all the rows to be sorted. Next, make sure the Data tab in the ribbon is selected and select the Sort option. Now it's the Sort option box that's next to the A to Z arrow. And then in the Sort dialog box, in the pull down for Sort By, we're going to select column C and click OK. And now all the data is sorted by last name in column C. How to remove a dash or other character in between data. In this example, let's say that the dash in this code column information needs to be removed. From the Home tab, select the Find and Select and select Replace. In the Find and Replace dialog box, in Find What, I'll enter a dash, and in the Replace With field, press the backspace key, or you can press the delete key. Either one will work. And it will look like there's nothing there, but it actually is going to remember that character. Then click Replace All. 12 replacements were made, as you can see. In addition to using the Find and Replace to remove or substitute characters, if you want a little bit more control to remove a dash or other characters, you can also use the Substitute function. In a blank column, press equals and then start typing the word substitute. Once you see it, you can double click. First, click on the cell that contains the dash, enter a comma, and then double quote, dash, double quote, comma, and then you're going to enter 2 sets of double quotes without anything in between. Close your parentheses and press enter. And the dash has been removed. And you'll just want to copy that down into the other cells. Now the dash has been removed. How to combine data from multiple columns into one column. In this example, I'll combine this numeric data with this alphabetic letter in the section column. In a new blank column, press the equal sign, the first cell to be combined. Then enter an ampersand, click the next cell, and then press enter. And it's as easy as that, and the data has been combined. Now, perhaps you want to put a space in there or some other character, and in that case, type the equal sign, click the first cell, and ampersand. And in this case, let's say we want a space, so we're going to have double quote, space, double quote, and ampersand, and then the second cell, and press enter. And now the data has been combined with a space between the information. And then just copy it down. In addition to using a formula like this to combine data from multiple columns into one column, another way to combine data is with the CONCAT function. In a new blank column, press the equal sign and then type CONCAT or double click it from the list. Click the first cell to be combined, enter a comma, then click the second cell to be combined. Repeat as needed if there's more columns to combine. Close your parentheses and press enter. And the data has been combined. You can add extra characters or even a space in the formula as needed. In that case, what you would do is just enter double quote, space, double quote, comma, and press enter. A space has been added, and you can copy that down into the other cells. And that's all it takes to combine data in Excel. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Bye now.